this lesson, we'll approximate the cylindrical surface of the impeller and perform a deviation analysis for it. Let's unhide the polygonal object. We already have the bottom plane. Let's approximate this cylindrical surface. Start the surface adjustment command. The surface type is cylinder. Click Select Triangles. Adjust the brush size. I want to select all the triangles of the cylindrical surface. Only a few areas that will allow me to define the cylinder. But of course, the more triangles you select, the more precise result will be. There is a boss. We don't need to include it in our selection. I won't select it. This will be enough. Confirm. Select the plane as the guiding object. I'll round the radius value to 43.5. But this is not a rule, and you can round to as many decimal places as you wish. I'd like you to pay attention to this option. It allows you to exclude triangles and vertices that are located outside the specified limits from the approximation. This multiplier defines these limits. For example, if you accidentally select elements far from your working area, they won't be included in the calculation. Let's turn off this option to examine how it affects the result. You can see the difference. Let's turn the option back on. Notice that the surface will be created in the local coordinate system. I'll return the radius value to 43.5 and confirm the command. The cylindrical surface has been created. Of course, it's not perfect. You can see that the impeller protrudes from under the surface in some places. This happens because we adjusted the surface and rotated it to align with the plane. If you need to determine how much the approximated surface deviates from the original, use the deviation analysis command. Select the approximated surface and the polygonal object to analyze. The system displays the minimum and maximum deviation directly in the graphic area. The deviation analysis is performed within the default range. It's possible to change the default range boundaries if needed. The green color indicates the minimum deviation, values close to the average within the range.